like and subscribe.
Today we're going to be opening and playing with this just like home cash register. This cash register makes sounds, realistic sounds, just like a real cash register. We can ring our groceries up and pay for them. Now let's open this box up. We get this cash register, of course, and this scanner, and it sounds like this. When we push the numbers and the buttons here, it sounds like a real cash register. Then this button opens up the cash register. Here we can slide our groceries. We also get this tiny little shopping basket filled with groceries. Here we have a sardine. Then we have a can of soup. We have a soda pop. And we have some milk. Cute, right? We can put it all back in the basket. We also got some cash. We have a credit card and some coins. This is such a cute little playset and I cannot wait to give it a try. So let's go ahead and put the money in and close the register. I think we're all ready to check out some groceries. Here's our basket filled with yummy groceries. But I think we need more groceries. How about this big basket filled with even more groceries? Wow, we have so many groceries to check out. Check out all the yummy goodies. So let's start playing, shall we? Slide. And now we can scan them. How about some soda? Now we have some milk, soup, and sardine. Yum! Let's place more groceries. How about some more milk? A raspberry tart. Looks delicious. How about some cake too? It looks like cheesecake. A green apple. And maybe some more fruit. Let's put some strawberries too. And now we have to scan. 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 1 apple please, a raspberry tart, cake, milk. Let's put more groceries. How about some pasta? And a cupcake. That sounds yummy. Some jam. Some tomato sauce. And a croissant. And maybe 1 more cupcake. Yum. This croissant is going to be wonderful with the jam we're getting. With grape jam. Yum. Pasta for dinner. Bread. Some more tomato sauce. And strawberry jam. That's all the groceries. Now let's scan. First some strawberry jam, then tomato sauce, and some fresh bread. Yum. And it looks like our total is $100. Well, we did get a lot of groceries. Now, let's pay with this credit card. Let's slide. Fun! That's it, we paid. Now we can take our groceries home. This is such a wonderful playset, and I love it so much for the sounds that it makes. It makes it sound just like a real cash register. And this is my favorite, sliding the card. One more time. Fun, right? Super, super fun. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We post new videos every day. Until next time, bye-bye.